Welcome to Terminology Tutor. Let's learn the names of 35 plus holiday foods in English. Perfect for this festive season. Let's get started.
Christmas and Thanksgiving. Ham. Cranberry sauce. Green bean casserole. Sweet potato casserole. Dinner rolls. Fruitcake. Eggnog. Yule Log Cake. Christmas cookies. Candy canes. Roast turkey. Stuffing or dressing. Mashed potatoes. Gravy. Sweet potatoes. Pumpkin pie. Pecan pie. Apple pie. Cornbread. Macaroni and Cheese. New Year's Eve. Shrimp cocktail. Cheese platters. Charcuterie boards. Mini appetizers. Collard greens. Sweet potato pie. Champagne. Easter. Glazed ham. Scalloped potatoes. Deviled eggs. Hot cross buns. Carrot cake. Lamb.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep learning with Terminology Tutor.